Morning, friends. With a heart of worship, we read John 4, verse 23. But the hour is coming, and now is, when the true worshippers will worship the Father in spirit and truth, for the Father is seeking such to worship him. Please pray with me. Father, awaken true worship in your church. Deliver us from performance, routine, and empty tradition. Let our gatherings overflow with spirit and truth. Turn spectators into worshippers who carry fire, not form, and who enter your presence with hearts fully engaged. As we thank you sincerely, fill every room with your glory. Let homes, streets, and churches become wells of living water, radiating your presence. Raise a generation who worship with integrity and passion, and let every act of praise be a fragrance of revival and a spark of heavenly fire. Amen.